Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the Sony FE 100mm F2.8 GM OSS lens, Sony's first macro lens to feature G-Master optics. With its wide aperture and fixed focal length, it delivers everything you'd expect from a G-Master lens. Excellent image quality, speed and reliability, but its most impressive feature has to be its native 1.4 times magnification, which allows you to reveal the finer details of your subjects with complete ease. Construction-wise, we have 17 elements in 13 groups, internal focusing, extra low dispersion glass, 2 extreme spherical lenses and a fluorine coating on the front element along with their nano AR coating too, all of which helps to suppress chromatic aberration and effectively subdue flare and ghosting. The redefined optics also allow for corner-to-corner resolution and rendering for beautiful image quality, while the 11-blade circular aperture produces some super smooth bokeh. We've got 4 XD linear motors driving the floating focus, offering up to 1.9 times faster AF compared to that of the 90mm, with it being fast, precise and quiet to focus in both stills and video, with excellent tracking performance, making it easier to shoot those fast-moving subjects like bees switching between flowers or butterflies. Its minimum focus distance of 0.26 meters is ideal for macro photography, and when paired with the 2 times teleconverter, provides a 2.8 times reproduction ratio, making it possible to capture a wide range of subjects, especially those that can't be approached closely, and it gives you that extra space to help with lighting. We've got all the controls you'd expect to see, your focus mode switch, focus hold buttons, which you can assign your preferred functions to, iris lock, aperture control ring, focus range limiter, steady shot switch, and the option to turn off the click stops on your aperture control. It also features a dust and moisture resistant design for that much needed reliability in challenging outdoor conditions, and weighing in at only 646 grams, it's pretty lightweight and manageable for handheld shooting. While this is predominantly a macro lens, don't be fooled into thinking that it can't be used for anything else, because 100mm is actually really well suited focal length to portraits, and if you pair that with the lens's nice wide aperture, you can get some super shallow depth of field with that silky smooth bokeh to give a really clear and impressive background separation from your subjects, and that's just going to make them pop and give that added wow to your shots. And let's not forget that if you're using the 2 times teleconverter, then you've effectively got 200mm to play with. The Sony 100mm Macro features refined optical image stabilization tuned for macro shooting, including a new control system that provides angle, shift, and depth control for reliable handheld stabilization. And if you're using a compatible A-series body, then you'll get even more enhanced stabilization for both stills and video. I don't often get to shoot macro photography, and especially not with a dedicated lens, so it's been a real pleasure to use this one today and get a different kind of creative with my photography. From a usability point of view, I actually really like the weight and the feel that it has to it. I've not had any issues at all shooting completely handheld throughout the day. The focusing is fast, the tracking is fast, especially when you're shooting video, and I just love the fact that you can pull down on the focus ring to switch it to manual if you want to make any fine adjustments. This is certainly a specialist lens, so for those of you that love to capture the finer details that are often missed with the naked eye. So it's perfect for product photography, abstract nature shots, intricate insects and plant photography, and of course hybrid shooters. Now if you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony FE 100mm F2.8 Macro GM OSS lens, then head on over to Jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.